How to fix Valorant when it has encountered this issue. Now first, go to your Windows search and type services. In your services, go ahead and find VGC. Right-click and go to properties. On your startup type, make sure it's automatic and then click start. Then click apply and OK. Now go ahead and close this window. Now go back to your Windows search and find system information. Then in here, click on services again. Then check the box that says hide all Microsoft services. After that, just go ahead and find VGC. Make sure the box is ticked and make sure it is running. Now, you'll see here it's stopped because I haven't really clicked apply then OK last time in the services. So just go ahead and go back there. Now click apply and OK. Then restart your laptop. Then go ahead and launch the game. Hope this helps.